Okay, let's do this, everybody. Weather forecast 7:17. We've got mostly sunny skies that are in the process of coming about. A sunrise 7 minutes ago at 7:10. And we're going to see a lot of sunshine today. Just a few passing clouds as we go along. Not much to worry about in terms of any rainfall. There will be some, though, over the weekend. We'll talk about that coming up. Water temperatures right along the lakeshore there, 67s for Muskegon and Grand Haven. Ranging to the low to mid 70s further southward from there this morning, afternoon, and evening. It's going to continue to be breezy, though inland locations right now are not looking at real windy conditions. We've really toned that back right along the immediate lakeshore and out over the open waters. The winds are continuing out of the west, and these waves at several feet can roll into the afternoon. So not quite as vigorous as high as yesterday, late afternoon and evening, but still substantial enough that rip currents are a factor today. Likely will be to some extent Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, even though we do tone the winds down and the waves down Saturday and Sunday just a bit. Monday, I think we're going to pick them up once again as winds out of the southwest turn to the west and northwest as a cold frontal boundary will be approaching. And that cold front is going to mean some interesting things for our next week. I'll get to that coming up. Right now, we've already brought down some cooler air with a cold front from yesterday, and that came through, as you know, mid-afternoon, turned us from all that sunshine into clouds and even a thunderstorm north of Grand Rapids, but that is long gone. And in its wake, we're much drier. There's no humidity around. We've got lighter winds at the moment, at least. And with those lighter winds and clear skies and dry air mass in the overnight, look at these temperatures have dipped. 49 in Big Rapids, 46 in Fremont. We've got to mid-50s GR to Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. Southward, Coldwater at 49. How about the Lakeshore? 64, a little bit milder there in Benton Harbor. And these are the winds and not much going on. It is windier, breezier along the immediate shoreline and out over the waters. And winds are going to pick up for all of us once again. We clocked a peak wind gust yesterday in GR of 46 miles per hour. We're not going to get nearly that high today, but it will be breezy and perhaps 30, maybe as high as 35 miles per hour by midday and thereafter. Dew points in the 40s. So, I mean, it's a different type of an atmosphere here today than we had during the morning when I saw, the morning yesterday, that is, when I saw a dew point of 67 in GR. We'll have a chance for a few sprinkles, maybe a light shower early tomorrow morning. It's not going to be bothering much of your Saturday, though, because that will be exiting right around daybreak. Maybe the ground does turn damp. Yes, we're not going to be accruing much in the rain gauge, but Sunday, late morning and afternoon, we've got to watch a disturbance. That could cause some heavier showers. We'll see how that plays out. The model's been going back and forth on that disturbance, whether or not it's really going to cause much of a fuss for us. So we'll see how it goes. But keep an eye on that Sunday, late morning and afternoon time frame. Certainly more clouds, perhaps a rainier period as well. Monday, Labor Day, I don't think a whole lot going on, but there will be a chance for a shower storm, particularly earlier in the day. 72 this afternoon, sunshine, couple passing clouds. Look at these temperatures, though. The blue boxes signify temperatures below normal. If you got the red box, you're above normal, so you get the idea of what kind of a pattern we're in. Average high today, 77. Average high by the end of the 7 day is 75. So obviously coming down here in early September. We got a cold front that did arrive yesterday, changed our weather fairly dramatically. We went from all that sunshine to the clouds, as I mentioned, and then back to sunshine. We wrapped up Thursday looking pretty decent all day long today, though. We'll have the sun, nothing going on the radar. Let's take a look at the modeling. And though it doesn't have a whole lot, there will be a few more clouds, I think, as you're headed home from work, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, probably filtering a little bit of sunshine. You go through this evening and overnight, and a second little batch of clouds comes in. You see those green colors? Yeah, it's going to turn out to be a little damp on the pavement early tomorrow morning. Ain't going to do much. Gets out of here. Sunshine returns by the afternoon. And then we'll look for Sunday, and possibly this next disturbance on the vigorous side could bring a better chance for rain there, I think, by late morning and afternoon. Look at the rain amounts off the European model. This is overdone, I do think, but you get the idea. That's through next Thursday, not just through Sunday, but through next Thursday. There's going to be some rainy stretches, a boundary bisecting the area. Little disturbances coming up here. Cloudier times, cooler times. Look at that, 70s. Tuesday, Wednesday could be 60s by Thursday.